Hi, it's Mark from Training Spark here, and this is the second in a series of videos walking through the features of the Business-to-Business Toolkit. In the previous video, we created this new organization called Home Tech, and we added a logo and a few other settings. And what we're going to do in this video is look at overbranding and how the logo and the CSS that we can set in here can permeate through and affect the interface of learners from this organization. So what we're using as a demonstration here is the Astra theme. And this is quite popular among the LearnDash community and one that is recommended by LearnDash because it has these starter templates that you can use as almost a pre-built LearnDash site. And one of the starter templates is this one, this Jamie and Annie Nutrition. And what we can see here is that we've got this Jamie and Annie Nutrition logo at the top and certain colours here that are relevant to this brand. What I'm going to do is switch across to how we see it as a member of the Home Tech organisation. So what you can see as a demonstration, I have brought in the Home Tech logo here and I've made these buttons black instead of green at the top here. And if we have also darkened the top banner to a slightly darker grey. And if we go into a course, for example, we can see that this carries through here into the LearnDash interface. So we've got the Home Tech logo at the top. So let's have a look at how we set this up. So if I go back to my admin account here and then go back to the dashboard and click into the organization section and go into Home Tech, what we've done here is added the branding logo for this organization, which we did in the previous video. But below that, we've got this custom CSS section. And this is mainly intended for developers. But what you can do is add custom CSS code like this to amend certain aspects of your theme. And this CSS would only appear for members of this organization. So you're essentially overriding theme appearance here using this code. And front-end web developers will be very familiar with this, but you can edit things like background colors and colors of fonts and sizes and various bits and pieces there. And this is just a normal code editor here, so you'll see that it's all color-coded. And this is optional, so you don't necessarily need to add custom CSS, but it just gives you an extra layer of flexibility over the theme here for your overbranding for organizations. And you might not want to show overbranding at all, so you might want to have Home Tech in here as an organization, but you might still want to show your own branding so that there's no reason why you have to have their organization's own branding in here. So to do that, what we do is drop this down and we've got the option to either show or hide organization branding. And if I change this to hide now and then click update, members of the Home Tech organization will no longer see the Home Tech branding, they'll just see your own. And just to test this, I'll bring up the Home Tech user and refresh the page, and we're back to where we were. So this user would now see your own branding rather than the Home Tech branding. So that's how we add overbranding, and it's just via these settings in the top of the organizations section. So when you go into an organization profile, and we have the option to add a logo, add some custom CSS here if we want to, and also the option to show or hide this branding for the members of this organization.